Maliit lang. Parang malaki. Pero okay naman. Magana naman siya. Gana siya. Gana siya. Ayan siya.
$9.99 suggested retail price. Mabibili sa iba't ibang outlets sa buong Pilipinas. Kayo man ay nasa Luzon, Visayas o Mindanao, siguradong may malapit na outlet sa inyo. Pwede rin bumili online sa GMA Store. GMA Affordabox. Malinaw na, naging mas affordable pa. Bili na!
It's 2 for 2 para sa GMA Public Affairs. Ang Secret Slaves ni Jessica Soho.
Yung pinapanood mo, no?
Dinosaur egg now. Start my home, Dinosaur Park.
Not so fast, Park Ranger Aaron!
It's Park Ranger LB. I gotta get out of here. Keep coming.
Kapte, paano dito ka nung kalay? Open. Open, udah ka na yung may video. Wala nang buka. Kakalangkid mo na yung silupin.
Napaka-poor ng quality niya. Grabe. May power siya. Meron din picture. Nasira kagad ng backlight sa loob lamang ng almost 3 weeks na ginamit. Sayang lang.
We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Oh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. I just heard you found the one you've been looking for. I wish I would have known that wasn't me. 'Cause even after all this time I still wonder.
Ipan pa ilan tasakan ah.
Bisa nga disakan na, panipan na.
Paside. Basta.
Asa no mo yan ano?
Bakas yan din eh.
I don't know what she was thinking, I know what I wanna see. Bust that pussy open, then I tell her bring it back. Bust that pussy open, then I tell her bring it back.
Yun ang nakakalungkot. Ang sayo nun eh. Pero hindi na kasi babalik yung tao at saka yung damdamin na yun. And that makes you sad.
When you say
Titingay ko daw kay nanay niya kung gaganan. Paano? Mas magandang ano dyan, malaking tao, ano?
Oo.
Ngayong Sabado.
Kira siya.